Let's unbox my dad's gift for my mommy. Di ko alam anong laman. Sisirain. Uy, hindi. Charot. Open the ribbon. Sosyalan. Classic. Dior. What's this? Oh, sample. May sample. Sample. Two samples. Maybe three. Yeah, two only. Wala na guys. What's this? Sample ba to? No, yeah. Sample din siya guys. Okay, this one's taking so long to open. Ayaw niya magpo-open. Itapon. Di, charot. I give up. Ito na i-open natin. The main character. Dior Forever Couture Luminizer. Couture. I don't know what the hell. Intense highlighting powder, long wear comfort. Pwede nga, teacher. Unboxing. The moment of silence, ASMR. ASMR, ba't ka lumabas? Ah! OA. Wow. Ringoso. Walang sound, guys. Wow, so pretty.
Ano yun? Ipusan.
Continue. Inopen yung light, guys. ASMR. Moment of silence. Oh, cute. Beautiful white. So, watch natin siya, guys. Wala kayong makita. Look.
Titi.
Okay. You see it, guys? So pretty. Ano din yung sample, guys? Ano to? What's this, mother?
Serum.
Serum for what?
And then this is lotion.
Lotion?
Ay, dairy
Perfume.
This is perfume. Without.
Sample perfume.
Anamnan ko nini be. Tuklob. Wala tuklob.
Mura ito taklob.
Wala. Tukot may tuklob yun. Pinahulog mo dito.
Mura ba ini?
Dua. Savage. How you pronounce this one? Uy, may da. There's perfume. Oh, meron. Look. It's wet, char. You need to press it harder.
And this one is...
That one is serum. Char.
Serum for what?
For your eyelids. Eye something. Basta natin instruction. Basta You can read or no.
Dior Prestige. What language is this? Spanish. French. La formule de concentre aux est enfoncée en extraits de la procédé Granville pour corriger les signes de. It's French, guys. French, it's French. Okay, this is my English pala. The formula of la concentré aux is infused with extracts from Rose de Granville, the correct signs of aging with yeast, that helps target the visible signs of fatigue around the eye contour. The eye area appears smoother, denser, firmer, and more radiant. The eye looks visibly younger. Wait. Gusto niya swatch ko. Wag na. Kayo na. At okay, man. This one's for men. Or unisex. I like this one. Kinoin. How you pronounce it? Savage. Where's the savage? Sauvage. Sauvage. This one is Dior. It's Dior. Dior. Iwan ko ba yan? Namimili. Nagbibigay ng sample na di mabasa. Uy. But this one's the main character. Look how pretty the highlighter is. Look how gorgeous she is. She's so pretty. It's like white lily. So pretty, guys. And my face not so pretty. I have pimples. Wag nyo New Year pa na may pimples. So time check, guys. 11:39 PM na po. So this is the highlighter. ASMR moment of silence. If only I had long nails, so you'll get the satisfying sounds. Anyways, this one. This is her. This is her. What's gonna do? I think tatlong samples, guys. Say goodbye to the vlog. And look how pretty my headband is. It's a kitty cat. It looks like the cat in Puss in Boots. You know him. Forgot his name. Is he Puss? Puss. His name is Puss, I think. Puss in Boots. He looks like him. Or her. Are you a her? Answer me. Let's put them back where they supposed to be. There. Let's put the samples. And the samples.
May laman naman.
Konti lang.
Sample nga eh. The shade. You can see the shade.
Shade. Bagus.
And this is the shade. The shade. Legit. Legit Dior.
Ito guys. Dior! Shade for Dior Forever. Pearlescent Glow. Yun yung shade niya guys. Kaya pala pearl yung name niya kasi white naman siya. White naman yung pearl. May napita ba kayong pearl na black? Hindi wow. Good for you.
Attitude ka day.
Say bye Dior sponsor. Sponsor. Dior da Vinci. Ay, Dior da Vinci.
I-picture na. Tapos